Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the updated version of the APKTIME app. Always. So this is going to be on Google TV and it'll be in 2 steps. Follow along. If you find it insightful, subscribe to the channel and you have content just like this. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So I'm going to move over to the dashboard and I'm going to go to step 1. Step 1 is just going to be all about enabling the permissions for developer options so that apps can be installed from unknown sources or unknown apps can be installed as well. Second step is going to be going to the unlinked app where we're going to download and install the application of choice. In this video being the APKTIME application onto Google TV. So head over to quick settings, then all settings for step 1. Navigate down to system, another system about, then head over to the bottom, second to the last option on the list. We find TV OS build. So this is a build number. Click on the build number 7 times to enable developers options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you should see a message saying you are now a developer. So now that you're a developer, all you need to do is download and install the app. In your installation process, you find it seamless because you have the permission to give any app authority to install applications of unknown sources or install unknown apps. That's the function of having developer options turned on. Now that I have that sorted out, step 2. So we're going to step 2. We're going to head over to the unlinked app. If you do not have this app, check the link in the description below for a video tutorial showing you how to install that application on your Google TV. When you have the application now installed, click on it to launch and enter the library code as requested. So you're going to enter the library code, which is EVERYTHING, all in capital letters. So that's the code. You have this app library, as you can see. Navigate down as you see and come over to tools, option 10, and you can navigate to these apps here. So on these apps, navigate down further, almost at the bottom of the list, and you can find the APKTIME app here under 7. So app stores with more apps. Click on APKTIME, click on the download button. So as you can see, that's the download button, and just be patient for a couple of seconds for the download to commence. And when the download is done, you find the install button pop up. So you click on install, and if it's your first time, you're going to find a message saying allow permissions or grants permissions or allow unknown sources. All that mean the same thing. What you need to do is go below that message. You find some apps. Enable unlinked. Give unlinked the toggle to turn on. So turn on the toggle beside unlinked. That will give unlinked the permission to install an application which is unknown or install applications from unknown sources. When you've given that permission, you can proceed to the exit one step, just exit, and you find that install button waiting for you. So if you click on install, give it a couple of seconds, you find the installation process running smoothly, and from there you could install the app, access it in your app library, and enjoy the application. So I'll walk you through everything I've just said. Install app, and now this is the install button. So click on install, and right there I should have the app readily installed just like that. So I'm launching the APKTIME application. As you can see, this is app in my app drawer, and that's the app loading up. So that's a success. If you had a success, I want to see success in the comments below. Comment below saying success, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.